Greetings, this is Eizy from Eizy Customizer. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing an unboxing video for this Figurized standard build diver Ayame by Bandai. Well, this is a plastic model kit version for the Ayame from the series. This is a very top hot selling plastic model kit, well, because of the waifu version. And this is the box art, which is I really like, with the ninja style, the ninja pose of Ayame. She's so lovely, the best girl in the series. Anyway, we're gonna take a look at this side of the box. We have the stickers here and 3 different faceplates, and also the one with the mask on. And look at this nice looking figure here. Well, the box is dented a bit, but well, I don't mind about that. And we have the pose here with the action base. The action base is included, and I will do the review after this unboxing video. We have the kunai here, and also the hand, closed hand. This is a grabby hand with some open hand, and also an extra part like this for just making a statue, right? Okay. Another pose, and the Gundam build divers lineup. This is the SD with the petted guy. Side of the box, well, it's the same like the box art, and some details for the Ayame here. You guys can read that. And then we have a poster from the anime, and yeah, some info here too. Well, let's start with the unboxing. Inside the box we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we have a paper here and also a manual. That's it. So we should start with the manual first. First thing first. Well, this is the manual. The front page, the second page, third page, and how to assemble it. And from the parts here, well, this is actually from the previous, I think, the mobile doll Sarah, the original mold. So you get plenty of extra parts with the X sign here. And this the first manual here. You have an option to choose for the head and for the face, and we have an extra, the guide for you to pose, how to pose this beauty Ayame in her ninja outfit. It's pretty nice looking plastic model kit. So this is the manual, and also you get this some instruction. It's a very common one, so it's not very that important. And we start with this part here. There's a sticker included for the eyes. Seriously, I really hate these stickers. Everyone hates stickers, right? This is the part for the man body. We have the breast here and man body part here too, and also this is the extra for the statue version for this kit, an extra one. The next bag is this one. We have the red part. This is the same, and for the man body part too, and it's yes, this is for a scarf. Next is the third one here. We have the yellow one here, and dark purple with the purple one. The purple one is actually the joints, the hand joint, the ball joint. What else? Yeah, mostly for the joints. And this is for the breast, the man body part. Move on with the third bag here. Also, you get another stickers. So you have a water slide here too. This is the stickers, and you get the water slide too. Really nice. I didn't realize from the first pack. Well, anyway, this part is for the man body part. We have the face plate here. You can see the eye. You can see that one. Yeah, these are the eyes for the stickers. And the man body part too. That's a lot of this part here for the face. So the next back here, we have the face, and also the hand, the shoulder, and the back here we have the tights and the joints for the legs. Next is the purple. This is for the arm, and yeah, this is for the arm and the parts for the hand here. No bad. Next is we have this is for the joints, and you will also get an action base included. Lastly, we have this big bag here. It has actually there's a two head here. I mean two hairs. There's a one here and the other one at the back here. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4 twin tails all together. And also this is the extender for your action base. So moving on to the plastic model kit that I already assembled. And this is the Ayame in her plastic model kit. I already assembled it. This is pretty one solid kit. No issue at all, no loose joint or anything. It's just pretty nice. Well, I really like the design. This is what we have seen in the anime. This is the 3D model, the plastic model kit. You can look from the design, it looks pretty nice and cool. Side view and a back view. Size comparison with the Fremom's Girl Innocentia, Megami Device Bullet Knight Lancer, High Grade RX-78 Gundam, Bandai 30 Minutes Mission Alto, and lastly Good Smile Company Nandoroid Nyaruko-chan. Moving on to the accessories and the parts that comes with this kit, I start with this one here. Well, this is actually an extra that you will get from the box. So you will get 2 extra heads. Like that, scarf, element body part here, and except this one comes with this piece here just to stand as a just like that. Okay, I'm not sure what this is supposed to mean, but you will get an extra for this one without the hands and the lower body part on this piece. Well, I didn't use the stickers for the eyes yet, so it looks like this one, the white one, and yeah, we get this piece. The next thing is, yes, this kit is included with the action base, also with the extend here. Not one, you will get 2 of this kind here. So we get an action base, and you will get water slide decal, and also stickers here. I already used the eyes here. An extra hands here and open hand. There's only 2 sets, which is open hand and the grabby hand that she's using right now. We have 2 extra faceplate here. I didn't use the stickers yet, so this is in white. You have the smiling face and the normal face here. You can see. So I didn't apply the sticker so you guys cannot see the expression very clearly, but never mind. This thing here is actually for the backpack. It comes with 2 parts. So one is for this piece here, and the other one for this man kit here. So this one I already attached it at the back here. Well, this piece here is actually goes just a simple attachment, just like that. And I should start with the upper part here. Just that, and then snap it in. There we go. So there's 3 holes here. You can attach anything, a backpack, weapon, or anything for a custom build. Next is you will get this piece here. This is actually for the legs. So, but this one is not complete, so you cannot do for the extra one. Great job, Bandai. And then you get an extra underwear, pants. Also, we cannot use this for the extra one because it's not complete. You have missing parts, especially the joint here. Great job, Bandai. And then you got this piece here too, an extra. This is actually the same mold from the previous Mobile Doll Sarah, so this is an extra. And you will get this part too. This is an extra. You get this 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is supposed to be used for this extra, but it doesn't come with the extra joint here, so you cannot use this part, and same goes with this one here. Next is the extra piece for your hand here. And lastly, we have a lot of faces here. Moving on to the articulation. The head is using a ball joint, so it can move side to side, down, and backward. Not much because of the hair here, so it can just snap like that. And the back hair here is also using a ball joint, can rotate like that, and this piece can spread, open up like that, and then move like so. This piece here also can rotate like that. The hand is using ball joint, so it can move like that and move like so, going up about that far, go down, forward, and backward. So this piece here can do swivel like that and like so, bend about that much, and then can make one full rotation. This is using a ball joint. And for the kunai here, well, it's kind of loose because the handle design is round, so it cannot stay properly in place, and it's kind of disappointed. Move on to the man body part. The upper part here can lean backward that much, forward, side to side like so, and then this side backs here can move up, down, backward, forward like that. This is using the same small ball joint, and this can move backward about that much, and then forward like that. Can do no side to side. And then the skirt here, the skirt design is so nice. This actually can move like that and like so. This piece also can spread out, move backward like that, because this is only attached using ball joint at the side here. Very cool, very nice design. So you can open up like that. Even at the back here can move about that much. So this is a very nice design. The legs are using ball joint, so you can move forward about that much, backward because of the skirt, so there's a limitation here. You can move backward about that far. You can make one swivel here, bend about that much, and then the fit can move forward, backward about that much, and pivot. So for this side here, because of the skirt can spread, can open up like that, so you can do a very nice high kick like that, and then the back here you can do the same nice high kick like so. So that's it for the articulation. If you guys really a fan of Ayame from the Build Diver series, getting this figurized standard by Bandai, well, this is worth your money. I have two of them. This is the first one that I bought, and this is the second one. And yeah, if you guys compare it with the Kotobukiya kit, the Fremam's Girl, the Mega device, getting these two Bandai is equal to one Kotobukiya. So, well, this is much cheaper alternative. Plus, this is a nice looking design. We have the Ninja and also the Ayame. You don't need to customize. To do a custom build based from these Mobile Build Sarah or the Fumina to make your own Ayame, they already released Ayame for you.
That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, Eizy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on Eizy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.